First top headlines. Congress criticized the 40-day silence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, lambasts 100% failure of Manipur government. Cyclone Biparjoy weakens and enters Rajasthan after landfall in Gujarat's coastal areas. Prime Minister Modi should save Manipur first, says Supriya Srinath. ELITETV Arun Kumar distributed exercise books and other items to the students at relief camp. And curfew relaxed till 5 p.m. in Ifallis and West District. Hello, welcome to ELITETV's Prime Time English News Bulletin. I'm your host, Deemita. Now the news in detail. Congress leader and a member of parliament, Jairam Ramesh, has criticized the more than 40-day silence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He said this during a press meet held at the office of All India Congress Committee in Delhi today. Jairam Ramesh further said in the past 22 years ago, Manipur was burned in connection with the issue of extension of ceasefire in Manipur. At the time, then Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee met all the political delegates from Manipur and appealed to the people of Manipur to maintain peace and harmony. However, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is not mentioning a single till today. This is very unfortunate. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will take all like-minded 10 political party members who are holding in Delhi since 3 days before Prime Minister left for the United States of America. Moreover, he alleged that the present BJP government is manipulated by N. Biren is totally failure.
वो सर्वदलीय प्रतिनिधि मंडल पहली बार 24 जून को मिला था 2001 को। यहां वो मौजूद हैं और मैं उनसे गुजारिश करूंगा कि वो आपसे बातचीत करें, वो करेंगे। पर उसके पहले हमारे मणिपुर के जो 15 साल लगातार मुख्यमंत्री रहे हैं, इबोबी सिंह जी कुछ बोलेंगे। मैं आपको ये भी कहना चाहता हूं कि हमारे बीच में मणिपुर विधानसभा के 2 पूर्व स्पीकर भी यहां मौजूद हैं। लोकेश्वर सिंह जी जो मौजूदा एमएलए हैं और हेमचंद्र सिंह जी जो 5 साल तक स्पीकर रह गए। सभी पार्टियां यहां मौजूद हैं और ये अभी भी इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि वो प्रधानमंत्री से मिलेंगे, उनको एक मेमोरेंडम पेश करेंगे और खुले तौर से वो बात करेंगे कि क्या क्या और कदम लेने की जरूरत है, क्योंकि ये राज्य सरकार बिल्कुल विफल हो गया है। ये बिल्कुल साफ हो गया है कि स्टेट गवर्नमेंट से कोई उम्मीदें नहीं हम रख सकते। 100% फेल हो गया है।
On the other hand, members of different political parties also criticized the BJP government in Manipur and drew the attention of the Prime Minister to restore peace in Manipur. Besides, requests for an appointment with him at the earliest.
More than 20,000, including women and children, are taking shelter in the relief camp. What is happening, you people can imagine easily. But till today, from Honorable Prime Minister of this country, didn't express anything what is happening there in Manipur. Now what we feel that it is not nice to mention that whether Manipur is a part of India or not. The question automatically it has arisen. If it is belongs within India, at least Honorable Prime Minister of this entire country, he should have to be expressed, even a single tweet in his mobile. So we don't know. That's why all these grievances, these 10 like-minded political party representatives, we have prepared one memorandum. We want peace. We are not coming here politicalized, not for politicalized. We are not coming here for taking political advantage. At least we want peace. Please help us. So enable Manipur to restore as early as possible.
Loss of lives is more than 120. It may be more because many bodies are still not taken off, and many people are missing. Injury more than about 400, maybe more. Displacement of more than 60,000 people. See, many people are in the relief camps in Manipur. Many people are taking shelter in the neighboring states like Mizoram, Assam, and many people are in Delhi as well. Many people are there. And burning of about 5,000 houses, homes. Many people have been rendered homeless. And there is loss of personal and government property of both the communities.
We are very much hopeful our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Modi ji will give an appointment before visiting his foreign tour. He knows everything. Honorable Home Minister already apprised, and many intelligence working there in Imphal, Manipur, they have already reported to the Prime Ministers and the Home Ministers. The Honorable Home Minister knows everything. Still, we are very much hopeful. Honorable Prime Minister will give an appointment for us, all the 10 political party delegates here. We are here since 12th of this month, and the last 6 days we are here waiting.
Cyclone Biparjoy, which made landfall in Gujarat's coastal areas, has now weakened into a deep depression and is expected to weaken further into a depression in the next 12 hours, India Meteorological Department IMD has said. As per IMD, the cyclonic storm weakened into a deep depression at 11:30 p.m. on Friday over southeast Pakistan. Cyclone Biparjoy has entered Rajasthan as a deep depression. Due to its effect, heavy rains accompanied by strong winds are occurring in many districts of the state. Rainfall with strong winds continues in Barmer, Jodhpur, Sirohi, Jalore, Pali and Jaisalmer districts of the state. Apart from this, many other districts including Bikaner, Churu, Sikar, Nagaur and Junjuna are also receiving light to moderate rains. The Meteorological Department has issued a red alert for extremely heavy rainfall with strong winds in Pali, Balmer, Sirohi and Jalore districts today, June 17. Apart from this, an orange alert has been issued for Jodhpur, Nagaur, Udaipur, Rasamad, Bhilwara and Ajmer districts. There are chances of rain with strong winds in some other districts as well. IMD has asked for the total suspension of fishing operations over the northeast and adjoining East Central Arabian Sea. It urged for judicious regulations of offshore and onshore activities. Meanwhile, Gujarat Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel yesterday held a high-level meeting in the State Emergency Operations Center to review the situation in the affected districts. Commissioner of Relief Alok Pandey said that under the guidance of Chief Minister and the coordinations between concerned departments, the state was braced for facing the cyclonic effects and has not reported any casualties till now. As part of its strategic and advanced planning, Gujarat government relocated more than 1 lakh citizens to the safer places. He said that this is one of the largest evacuations in Gujarat history and saved thousands of lives after facing a natural calamity for almost 5 days. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar will confer upon the 4th National Water Awards in New Delhi today, June 17. The Jal Shakti Ministry has announced a total of 41 winners covering 11 categories, including joint winners for the 4th National Water Awards 2022. Each award winner will be conferred with a citation and a trophy as well as cash prizes. Madhya Pradesh will be awarded the first prize in the Best State category. In the Best District category, the award will be given to Ganjam district of Odisha. The Best Village Panchayat award will be presented to Jagannathpuram Village Panchayat, Vadadari Kothugudem district of Telangana. As part of the ongoing nationwide drive to realize the government's vision of a water-prosperous India, the award focuses on encouraging the good work and efforts made by various individuals and organizations. It seems to create awareness among peoples about the importance of water and motivate them to adopt best water use practices. Curfew has been relaxed till 5 p.m. in Imphal East, West, Kaching and Bishnupur districts. However, Thoubal district has extended till 8 p.m. In Kangpopi, curfew relaxed from 5 a.m. to 3 p.m. and no curfew relaxations at Sugnu and Sero areas. Markets and the shops are open during the curfew relaxation. People were seen rushing to the markets and the shops to buy essential items. No traffic was observed on the roads. MLA of Wankai Assembly Constituency T.H. Arun Kumar today distributed exercise books, pen and pencils to the relief camp opened at Government Dance College, Palace Compound, Imphal East. Speaking to media persons, MLA Arun Kumar said in consultations with the Department of Education as free education will be provided at the relief camp.
Government Tier 21 the classing Hagungaba, Maruina, relief camp the Bangang Singida, Makoka Chanaba, Manatamjariba class Tuka, Marilena, Education Department Ka, Kusham Narakanda Kugi, Darising a sea, free of course, the Koyan Toksabani, Adugimakata Rakoda Muk, High Bangang Sing a sea, a Kogi Lajariba, Anakpada, Magi convenient with Zagas in the school Zinga, a free of course the shoe, a Koy Muk, Oziki. Angang sing asi like tam hanjaga do bani akoi na haijeru boda dal college se director na yabi dana angang sing asi ki tongan ma relief camp gi lai ba jaga se natana atopa jaga room sing tongan ba separate room sing pb na angang sing si like to bogi dong cha ba su ko pb re loine na relief camp si da koi tongan ba section da gi mateng ka pam gi ri medical ki site ki so koi mateng pam bi tana ngasi relief camp si da lai ri ba ana ai thok tana ba koi patana matam nunti lakpi dana doctor sing lakpi dana cmo gi makha da Dr. Singh Lakpi na koi na ing sing yang sinjari ado tongan pa facility mayam hoi hona jari
5 days annual community contact and extension program organized by DM College of Teacher Education DMCT concluded yesterday. During the program, relief materials were distributed to the Iberian Children Home, Janims Relief Committee, Praja Higher Secondary School, Kaching Higher Secondary School and Wabagai Higher Secondary School. Moreover, pray to God to bring about the peace and normalcy in the state, led by Coordinator Associate Professor K.H. Dines, along with trainees, teaching and non-teaching staff of the college. UNESCO Manipur, in collaborations with We the Meitei, today distributed various items at different relief camps at Sugnu and Tangjing. The relief materials were raincoat, torchlight, medicine and other edible items. Speaking to media persons, President S. Chauba said distribution of relief materials will be continued at different other relief camps also.
Posting asi we Meitei Hozai Habaduna Mateng Pamirakpa Aduga UNESCO ka Kusan Naraga Mafam Sida Ngasi मेगे अहुमदगी हौदना लालान थंगरपदा मैतै प्रजासिंग ngaktuna leitwa awaba tarba isininaw marung ofani damata mateng pangba laksabani makhatana wi maitai hojaina makhatana su mateng pangine haina akoi ka takirei madugi damakta thagat khongdoksari.
National People's Party (NPP) cautioned the party will be compelled to review whether to go along with the present state government if it fails to bring back normalcy at the earliest. National Vice President Y. Joy Kumar to the state media at the state party office located at Udipok Naramthong yesterday. He further said NPP had already declared its stance that the party will not compromise on territorial integrity of the government of Manipur at any cost. The party had already submitted a memorandum to the Union Home Minister regarding the present crisis in Manipur and urged to bring back normalcy at the earliest, he added. He also said, as per reports, some Kuki militants under the suspension of operation are involved in the crisis when the SU agreement was signed with the central government. It was mentioned that if the militants under SU agreement violate the ground rules, then the state and the central forces will take stringent action against them, he said. Reacting to fresh violence in Manipur, Congress spokesperson Supriya Srinade said that the situation in the state is worsening and that the BJP doesn't seem to care about it. She further said that PM Modi should serve Manipur first, then he should talk about Akhanda Bharat. She added, over 40 days have passed, 103 people died and 60,000 are displaced. And now let's take a short break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Welcome you all to UNACO College, Kongman, Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAc courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
Diabetes ka loina na hinglibusing tha amagi manungda fahanba ngamle. Khong hamba nungai tabasu namit mga nigi manungda fahanba ngamle. Piles haibadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahanba ngamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oina lehenba ngamle. BP wangbasu tha amagi manungda normal da lehenba ngamle. Umnamak natural oiba anoba hidak makal singna laying jabani. Haksang da sokadaba side effect amata leite. Makatana hidak chabagi mathausu tararoi. Akopa moral gidamak nga simaglangsing biraw Diabetes Hospital, Jennings Road near Punjab National Bank, Porompat.
Admission open. Manipur ki mapanda chatrabasu yaraba best quality education ga loinana Saraswati Institute of Management and Paramedical Science pangai. Manipur University da affiliated toba Indian Nursing Council amadi Pharmacy Council of India na recognized tawraba college asida chaliba academic session asigi akagnaba sit masing admission hauzare. Coursing adudi BSc Nursing, Diploma in Pharmacy, Bachelor of Pharmacy, BSc Forensic Science, BSc Radiology and Imaging Technology, BSc RIT, BSc Medical Laboratory Technology, BSc MLT, amadi BSc Operation Theatre Technology Operation, BSc OTT, high-river coursing asigi scholarship ki kudong saba su pangbigani, amadi meritorious students singi oiba tongan ba kudong saba mayam amalegani. Akopa morog dama 9856575163. College address Pangai opposite MPTC da lengbidaktuna ngasimak kudong saba silowiu.
Years of trusted diagnostic service, Babina Diagnostics.
Welcome back again. You're watching ELITETV's Primetime English News Bulletin. The western part, Bishnupur district, which is along the border of Churachandpur district, has been increasing number of bunkers suspected of Kuki militants. Some villages under the jurisdictions of Khangvai subdivision, that is Khangvai village, Molhoi village, Sungdo village, Mungya village, Chawangphai village and Folzang village, has set up new 14 to 15 bunkers. These bunkers are set up at close affinity to Phagaukchau Ikai, nearly 300 meter close to Phagaukchau Awang Laikai, which is part of Bishnupur district under Phagaukchau police station inhabited by Meitei. On the other side, there are Khongsangbi, Khudekbi and Tronglaubi are Meitei villages, and western part of these are Kuki villages, that is P. Giljang village, Molfei Tampak village, Molngad village, Laika village, Molso village. All these villages had already built 4 to 5 bunkers beyond their village vicinity too. Kuki miscreant occupied Tronglaubi Maning Makhalekai, which is village of Meitei. Opposite of Tronglaubi Awang Laikai, there is Meitei village called Malon village, which is also occupied by Kuki militants since May 5. Over these, new 7 to 8 bunkers has been set up near whole belt of those 3 Meitei village by Kuki miscreant, beyond there also towards the Meitei village of approximately 500 meter western side of Ngangkholawai and Thamnapokpi area, Senparzar Kom village, Kangathai Kom village, Pil Phainom Kuki village, Khongsangbung Kuki village and Lower Koirentak Kom village. 7 to 8 Kuki bunkers has been there earlier, but presently there is 8 new bunkers increase. But all these bunkers is beyond their village vicinity. But also presently, Senparzang village, Kangathai village and Lower Koirentak village are Kom village, but some Kuki miscreant have been built 6 new bunkers inside this 3 Kom village on the strategic vintage point. Western part of Sunusifai, there are no bunker earlier, but one bunker has been built on the foothills of Langzing Maning Reserve Forest, which is located off 3 km from Sunusifai village. Western part of Fubala and Tinungai, there is only one Kuki village, Chingfai village. Earlier, there is one bunker at Chingfai village, which is the predominantly inhabited by Kuki. But in the recent part, it is seen that 4 more bunkers have been set up at the Hauktak Valley, which is inherited by Kom community. So the Kuki miscreants has built such of newly bunkers mainly beyond their vicinity. From the Ground Zero report public interaction, new bunker increases at strategic point beyond the vicinity. There is no new bunker on Meitei side which is set up beyond vicinity. Due to increases in a bunker and the provocateur fire by Kuki militants makes insecurity feeling on Meitei people. To control the current law and order, consult authority should remove or dismantle the newly constructed bunkers of the Kuki militants, which is set up beyond the vicinity. Subsequently, central forces should deployed on the vulnerable areas in coordination ways. Meanwhile, the deployment of AR for controlling the situation is very risky as Meitei population has lost trust on them. Through the intervention of AR may be good. The Chin Kuki Mizo diaspora in the U.S. will hold a viral protest at U.S. Capitol grounds, Washington, D.C. on June 22. Another protest rally at the White House on June 24 during the visit of Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Washington, D.C., a press release mentioned. Over 40 Indian origin, medics, business leaders and community champions are among those on UK King Charles' first birthday honour list. Those on the list include Dr. Pravinder Kaur Ale, Professor Prokar Das Gupta, Anuj Chande, Hina Solanki, Valbir Mohan Bhalla, Rakesh Chauhan, Kailash Malhotra, Varvil Dhillon and Kuldeep Singh Dhillon, among others. The list has been released by the UK government. Young people in China are quitting their high-paying jobs for blue-collar roles like waiters and cashiers for mindless menial work and a better sense of satisfaction. According to Business Insider, they have been sharing pictures and videos on social media with the hashtag #MyFirstPhysicalWork This trend has gained popularity in China despite record high youth unemployment rates. American chipmaker Micron Technology is close to an agreement to invest $1 billion to $2 billion towards setting up a semiconductor packaging factory in India, reports said. The deal is likely to be announced during Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the US next week. The deployment comes after Micron on Friday pledged to invest $600 million more in its Chinese plant. Following withdrawal of 2,000 notes from May 23rd, cash with public as on June 2nd is down 83,242 crore as compared with cash with public as on May 19. Currency in circulation as on June 2nd and May 19 was 32.88 lakh crore and 33.71 lakh crore respectively. Currency with RBI as on June was 14.06 lakh crore. And now let's take a short break again. Stay tuned for more updates.
Lan Thoram Malem Taibang Palasida, Aikoi Kwai Pumnamakka, Luinaramba, Yumnam Surjit Kumar Meitei, Laishram Suresh Meitei, Moirang Them Heman Meitena, Mapugi Sintha Loidaduna, Aikoi Pumnamakpu Thadok Lamlaga, Haukiba Chechat, Tara Humdoi, Taruk English Singaniga Kungo Humdoi, Kumja, Ingagi Kungamangani Panba, Laibak Popanumita, Makogi, Tawaina, Mapugi Laikolda, Lairangi Lenam, Winatin Cray. Chatliba Chaychat, Taranipan, Taruk, English Singaniga Kungo Humdoi, Kumja, Ingagi Kuntrani Panba, Nomizing Numita, Mangani Leihun Tamjaraga. Chatliba Chaychat, Kungamari, Taruk, English Singaniga Kungo Humdoi, Kumja, Inyengi Tarukni Panba, Tangs and Numit Asida, Lana Thoram Numit Tokle. Thoromasida Ahalaman, Ima Ibel, Marup Mapang, Sagainate, Itilinau, Homin Kaminarakpa, Equinity Sakhanga Hodraba Kwai Tarana, Matam Chana Ling Biraktuna, Mapugi Minkai, Tabiranaba, Amadi, Haikat Lekat Tamba, Yaubiranaba, ELITETV Kotanga Pausen Jedi. Ayukpung Nipan, Lagi Thoram Hoba, Ayukpung Mapan, Isai Hoba, Pausen Jedi Bising, Yumnam Ongbi, Tanobi Leima. Surjit Kumar Giloinabi, Laishram Ongbi, Ibem Leima, Suresh Giloinabi, Moirang Them Ongbi, Ngobi Leima, Heman Giloinabi, Oksu Ningthem Chakul Community Hall.
Admission Open, R&T Institute and Aviation Academy के लाकतो Session 2023-24 के admission Hausare Institute as the Ministry of Corporate Affairs Government of India na well recognized Tauraba Amati 5-year service complete Oiraba Manipur da Amatangairaba Air Hostess Training Institute Amani Class 12 pass Tauraba Mahairoi Singna Tungi Afava career Amati aviation industry da Sangningba Singna Ming Chanbiba Yarakani male and female Puna apply to Yaraba 10 to 15 years flying experience later trainer Singna train Tauriba 100+ students placement Pikraba Institute Asida Tongan ba course Sing Kudong Java Leisure coursing atudi international air hostess training, airport operation and staff training, ground handling loina soft skill, career counseling, interview skill, spoken English and Hindi, grooming, guest lecturer session, resume making, mock interview, service classes, first aid, interview preparation, Zumba class, swimming class amati, airport visits, Institute asiki staff single loinana placement assistance gidamag Imphal amati atopa state sing the su khudong chaba pizari khudong chaba sing asiki damag 12 standard loiraba students singna institute asida lakpiduna akupa marol tanabiu amati online inquiry gidamag contact number asida call tawbiduna tanabiu 700597047 natraga 8132092225
SS Career Solution na chahitara hena khunai sida leiriba naharol singbu achumba sinfam ama khangjana bagi khudong chaba du mapung fana pina bagi damak specialized oiraba team kaya semduna angang singbu nauringai dagi khoiga chana ba sinfam gi maramda singna mari makhong taktuna afaba khunai ama oirakna ba hona duna ngasi fawbala career solution amagi chap chana guidance thiba haibasi arriba dinate adubu Manipurgidi thoina nungsa thiningai oitre SS career solution na akaknaba plan amadi expertise singa putsinduna sacha khaknatana community level dagi hauraga adom gi paidagi chanaba sinfamadu mai pakna chatnanaba same sagani aikuigi mamal yamlaba naha singbu tungge chuwa lambela mada lamjing haurasi SS career solution na piriba khudong chaba singasi khopna khanta haurasi
Admission open Central Academy Khabam Sumraithong Manipur laiba CBSE da affiliate toba khwaidagi phaba school singi manungda ama oiriba Central Academy Khabam Sumraithong Manipur Kumsi Sahigi Class 9 gi akaknaba sit khara amasung Class 11 Science Arts ani asigi mingjanba hojare School asi yamna mayon chumna fagalakliba National Thaki Award kaya puthokliba makal makha kaya gi state and national level competition da gold medalist amadi prize winner puthokliba school ni leibaki awabada saruk yaba oina Class 9 gi de admission fee amasung tuition fee lodana lemna mingjanjagani Class 11 gi oina AISSE 2023 amadi ISSLCE 2023 da 90 PC amasung masigi Phangba angang singi damak admission tuition fee lawdabatan natana textbook su lemna pizagani smart class ka loinana angang singna lairik pagadaba matamda tuition chatpagi hainabi thadok hananaba strict oina class tawgani khangdriba fawba takpigani leibaki irangi awaba nangliba singidi aikhoina ngamjaba thakta mateng pangjagani class 11 gi admission fee lupalising manga loinana prospectus lupachani punna lupalising manga chani khaktani akopamorol gi damak school gi office ta tanabiu
Imphal East District ki oina Higher Secondary Examination 2023 da percentage masing khwaidagi wangna First Division da pass tauba Royal Academy of Science Wangkhayamadi Kongbagi Class 11 Science 2023-24 da tamnaba admission process hauzare ahan by admission tauba satra chamada textbook lemna fanghangani loinana admission fees lupalishing taru oigani bus amasung van service na chingbaga loinana hostel facilities su leigani akupa marol gidamak Royal Academy of Science ki Wangkhay office da lakpiu.
Welcome back again to watch ELITETV's Prime Time English News Bulletin. Elon Musk on Friday said his brain chip startup Neuralink could carry out its first human trial later this year. The startup plans to implant a tetraplegic or paraplegic patient, Musk stated. Last month, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration gave clearance to the startup to conduct human clinical trials. Neuralink is reportedly facing probes over its handling of animal experiments. In the Indonesia Open Badminton Tournament, India's HS Pranoy will take on top seed Victor Axelsen of Denmark in men's singles semi-finals at Jakarta today, June 17. 7th seed Pranoy defeated Japan's Kodai Naroka 21-18, 21-16 in a quarter-final match yesterday. In men's doubles, the Indian pair of Satwik Sairaj Ranki Reddy and Chirag Seti will face the South Korean unseeded pair of Kang Min Hyung and Seo Sung Jae in the semi-finals. 7th seed Sadvik Sairaj and Chirag defeated the world number 1 Indonesian combination of Muhammad Ryan Ardinto and Fazar Alfiant by 21-13, 21-13 in a clash of the last 8 yesterday. For ELITETV News Channel, contact to the email address info@elitetv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And now let's take a look at the headlines once again. Congress criticized the 40-day silence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, lambasts 100% failure of Manipur government. Cyclone Biparjoy weakens and enters Rajasthan after landfall in Gujarat's coastal areas. Prime Minister Modi should save Manipur first, says Supriya Srinath. MLA TH Arun Kumar distributed exercise books and other items to the students at relief camp. And curfew relaxed till 5 p.m. in Imphal East and West District. And that's a wrap for today. For more updates, keep watching ELITETV English News. Thank you and have a great evening.